मूक उचरै शास्त्र खट, पिंग गिरन चढ़ जाए। अंध लखै बदरो सुनै, जो काल कृपा कराय। बेसुमार अथाह अगणित अतुलै, ज्यों बुलावहो त्यों नानक दास बोलै। ज्यों बुलावहो त्यों नानक दास बोलै। वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। My honorable Sikh siblings and respectable listeners, today we will try to discuss the story of Bhai Satta and Bhai Balwand, who was the prominent singer of 5th Guru Arjan Dev Ji. Their sermons are available in Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji on 966 organs of Sri Guru Granth Sahib. You can see. Now we try to reflect on this point, how Guruji was given the forgiveness to them because they had done very big mistake. My honorable siblings, Bhai Satta and Balwand both were real brothers. They had one younger sister. Meanwhile, 4 centuries and a half years, 4 centuries and 50 years ago, they had come under the sanctuary of 5th Guru Arjan Dev Ji at Sri Amritsar Sahib city. They requested for singing the Gurbani hymns in the presence of Sri Guru Arjan Dev Ji at Sri Harmandir Sahib Golden Temple. Guruji gave order. They started their duty of singing at Sri Harmandir Sahib. After some time, they had done the engagement of their younger sister and fixed the wedding day of their younger sister. On the other hand, that time the annual Vaisakhi function was coming near. One day both brothers had done a request to Guruji for achieving the worshipping wealth of the Vaisakhi annual function. But Guruji that time did not agree. Guruji replied, "Oh my beloved singers, it is not good for you." They asked why. Guruji again replied, "Because the gathering of followers can be so few on the Vaisakhi annual function. Then it will not be good for you." But they requested again and again to Guruji. Guruji agreed that time. On the annual Vaisakhi function, that time they started the singing of Gurbani at Sri Harmandir Sahib. What, my honorable listeners, naturally the gathering of followers of devotees became so few. Lack of the gathering of devotees. On the other hand, the collection of worshipping wealth became so few than their expectation. That time both brothers became very angry and annoyed with Guruji. They returned to their home. Next day, they did not come for singing for Kirtan of Gurbani at Sri Harmandir Sahib. Guruji sent his prominent follower, prominent devotee, Bhai Gurdas Ji, who was the first author of Sri Guru Granth Sahib, for bringing them to sing the hymns of Gurbani. But they did not agree for singing Gurbani. Furthermore, Guruji sent the prominent and the sublime personality, Baba Buddha Ji, who was the first priest of Sri Harmandir Sahib, for bringing them. But they did not convince, they did not agree. Lastly, Guru Arjan Dev Ji, fifth Guru himself, went at the door of their home to convince for singing of Gurbani. They did not agree. Instead of singing of Gurbani, that time they started the bad criticize and the slandering of elder four gurus. Firstly, they used very provocative words and slandering for fifth Guru Arjan Dev Ji. Guru Arjan Dev Ji listened with great patience and politeness. He did not say any word against both singers. But after a few minutes they began the condemn of elder four gurus. They said to Guruji, both Satta and Balwanda, they said, due to our ancestor, due to the singing of our elders, therefore Guru became world famous. Due to the singing of Gurbani in the presence of your four Gurus, why our ancestors, therefore Guru became very popular in the whole world. So according to myself, this was a directly the slandering as well as the condemn of four Gurus. Furthermore, the both said our ancestor Bhai Mardana had done the singing of Gurbani hymns in the presence of your first Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Similarly, our second ancestor Bhai Dala had done the singing of Gurbani in the presence of second Guru Angad Dev Ji. In this way, in the presence of third Guru Amar Das and Guru Ram Das Ji, our third ancestor Bhai Dana had done the singing of Gurbani. So due to the singing of Gurbani hymns, your four elder Gurus became very popular in the whole world. That time Guru Arjan Dev Ji did not tolerate the condemn of his four elder Gurus. Guruji said only one word, तुसी फिट गए हो. It means their physical bodies were totally infected with the disease of leprosy. Their physical bodies were totally infected by the infectious disease, namely leprosy. So that time Guru Arjan Dev Ji came back and began the singing of Gurbani at Sri Harmandir Sahib Golden Temple with musical instrument Saranda. According to the tradition of Sikh history, according to the history of Gurus, the musical instrument Saranda was made by fifth Guru. My honorable listeners, then his companion Baba Buddha Ji took the musical instrument Tambura, and third companion Bhai Gurdas Ji started to beat the small drum, namely tabla. That time Guru Arjan Dev Ji himself with his two companions started the hymns of the singing of Gurbani hymns at Sri Harmandir Sahib. After that, Guru Arjan Dev Ji issued a strict condition for both proudy singers Satta and Balwanda. Guruji said that time, who will come with the recommendation of egoist singers, then I will blacken his faith and walk him on the back of donkey and ride him on the back of donkey and walk him in the all streets of the city. So that time Guru Arjan Dev Ji issued very strict order. When all the followers of Guruji listened, they became very, very horrified. Guruji issued another order to disconnect the relationship with both singers for his all followers. Then all followers disconnected the relationship with both singers. They became lepers. Hardly they reached at the city Lahore in Pakistan, now is situated in Pakistan. There was lived a benevolent devotee of Guruji, namely Bhai Latha. When both reached at the door of the home, Bhai Latha already closed the door of his home, but they requested with folded hands, "Please, you help us, you help us." Bhai Latha came out from the home and asked to both about the condition of Guru, which was issued by Guruji. My 6 siblings, that time Bhai Latha himself blackened his faith and rode on the donkey and took the round around the all cities and took the round on the all streets, all avenues of Lahore city. Similarly, he had done at the Amritsar city. After that, he came under the sanctuary of Guru Arjan Dev Ji. He requested fastly, "Guruji, you have any condition to do for myself, to do for me?" Then Guruji said, "O my benevolent, beloved follower Bhai Latha, you did not to do it. Without your doing, I could give the forgiveness to them." And Guruji embraced Bhai Latha. Guruji asked to both singers for taking the bath under the Dukh Panjani tree, painkiller tree, namely berry name of this tree, Beri Sahib. There they had taken bath. After that they met Guruji. Guruji said, "Oh, Bhai Satta and Balwanda, you start the excellent praising of four Guru, because you have done the condemn of four Guru with your own mouth, your own tongue. Now you have to do the praising of Guruji. Then you get rid from the infectious disease leprosy. According to the order of Guruji, they began the unique praising of Guru Nanak Dev Ji and Guru Angad Dev Ji firstly. They had composed a poetic form, namely war, Ramkali ki war, Rai Balwant Tatha Satya Doom Akhi. Doom meaning drummers. They were related to the drummer caste. So that time they were started and began the praising of Guruji. They composed 8 stanzas poem in the praising of 5 Guruji. In the first 4 stanzas of this poem, of this war, they had done the praising of first Guru Nanak Dev Ji and second Guru Angad Dev Ji. In the 5th stanza, the praising of only Guru Angad Dev Ji. In 6th stanza, the praising of Guru Amar Das. In 7th, the praising of 4th Guru Ram Das. In the 8th stanza of this poem, they had done the praising of 5th Guru Arjan Dev Ji. That time occurred a unique miracle. My all honorable listeners, one side they completed this poem in the praising of Guru Arjan Dev, in the praising of 5 Gurus. On the other side, at a time, their leprosy disease was dispelled at that time. At the same time, they became healthy. All the followers, all the congregation became very surprised after looking at this action. So my Sikh siblings and honored listeners, our living Guru, Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji, is very compassionate and merciful, like 5th Guru Arjan Dev Ji. Guru Arjan Dev Ji not only gave him the forgiveness, but Guruji gave them the place in Sri Guru Granth Sahib, because the sermons of Bhai Satta and Balwandas are available in Sri Guru Granth Sahib on the name of Ramkali ki war, Rai Balwant Tatha Satya Doom Akhi. So I want to request you, my all Sikh siblings, we should live under the sanctuary of our living Guru Sri Guru Granth Sahib forever, because our living Guru Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji remains ever compassionate. There is a powerful example available for the forgiveness. How to give Guru forgiveness to those followers who have done the big mistakes. Guru Ramdas Ji says that in Sri Guru Granth Sahib, fourth Guru, कोई निंदक होवे सतगुरु का, फिर शरण गुर आवे, पिछला गुनह सतगुर बख्श लाए, सत्संगत नाल लावे। जो मीह गुठे गलियां नालियां टोबियां का जल, जाए पवै विच सुरसरी, सुरसरी मिलत पवित्र पावन होए जा। Guruji says that, Guruji points out by 6 siblings, if someone slanderer and bad critic of Guruji, he has done very big mistake. After that, he came under the sanctuary of Guruji. Guruji forgives his all sins and unites him in the sanctuary of saints, in the sanctuary of his followers, like the rain falls. The water of streams, the water of bad ponds flows into the river Ganga, and it became very sacred and very pure. So similarly, that person who has done the condemn, the bad, criticize, as well as has done bad, very big mistakes, if he has come under the sanctuary of Guruji, Guruji unites him and became him pure and made him pure, like the bad, dirty water of ponds, when it merges into the river Ganga, became pure. So my 6 siblings and honorable listeners, so these kind of thoughts I tried to tell you. I already know I have done very mistakes during this lecture. Please forgive me and pardon me. Lastly, you speak out with loudly voice, Vaheguru Ji ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji ki Fateh.